So we have a drawing. To do FORMWORK design, you just click on the member you want to do FORMWORK design for. You click on the member. Let's start with the slab. You can right click on it and you come to FORMWORK design. Click on FORMWORK design. You can expand this, maximize this. You see, design successful. So you can decide to tweak it as much as you want to tweak it. This is plate. Alright, it's provided 18mm thick plate. You can decide to reduce it to 15. Okay, if you see it has reduced, reduce it to 12 to see if it will pass. Okay, 12 still passes. You can renew design, and that's it. Your joists and stringers, this is the dimensions of your timber for your joists and stringers. You can press OK. For that, come to your beam. You can click on your beam, right click on it, same thing, FORMWORK design, and you can zoom out. This is the FORMWORK design for it. Okay, if you're still not okay, you can decide to reduce this to 12mm. See, your plate has been reduced. Maximize this. You can renew your design. See, so this is design for the FORMWORK for your beam. So that's okay. And check for your columns too. Click on a column, right click on it, scroll down, FORMWORK design, and also FORMWORK for your columns. Right, you can play around this and play around it, depends on you. You can reduce the plates so that you can renew your designs and click OK. After that, you can generate a report or the quantity for all the FORMWORK for this building. Timber FORMWORK. All you need to do is come to your drawings and reports, quantity extraction table, FORMWORK quantity table, and calculate. So it has calculated it for your foundations. So foundations, this is the square area of FORMWORK in it. For your story 1, this is for what you need for your beam, this is what you need for your column, this is what you need for your slabs. However, so the total you need, it's about 625 meter cube. You can click on report to generate your report, and this is it. You can either convert it to PDF or to Microsoft Word. So do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video for more videos. Thank you.